You can now make this with absolute confidence. Lei Ho Ma, that's us going in Cantonese. Welcome to Young Man Cooking, I'm Wil Yeung. It's been almost 10 years since starting this small cooking show in the vast world of YouTube and seeing the channel go from 100 subscribers to now almost 1.4 million subscribers is so far beyond even my favorite smoky spicy chili oil level of extraordinary. Throughout the last decade, I've gone from owning a music school to running a coconut milk business to working as a photographer, videographer, while simultaneously creating content for Young Man Cooking here on YouTube. Throughout the hustle, I was so blessed to have officially partnered with amazing brands like Shopify, Vitamix, Lotus Foods, and Japan Tourism. And it's an absolute privilege to share recipes and joy across the globe through 3 cookbooks and even a plant-based sushi masterclass. If you've been following the show for quite some time, then you probably know that I film, edit, and publish all the episodes myself. So naturally, the last 10 years have been the most rewarding journey and yet the busiest and the most exhausting one as well. Having had so many projects for such a long period of time while still producing new episodes for the cooking show, it's quite a relief to say that I'm finally done. The brand new 4th cookbook, simply titled Dining In with Wil. This highly anticipated cookbook is a continuation of the previous 3 books in that it has more of your favorite recipes seen on the cooking show here on YouTube, with many new recipes as well. Following a similar minimalistic and approachable vibe, there is a focus on recipes with components that cross over and have uses in multiple dishes across the book. For instance, the amazing spicy mayo, cilantro lime, and chili mango sauces are easily made once and then can be drizzled over the teriyaki wonton nachos, the burrito bowl, the sloppy jacks, and the stir-fried rice bowl. Or the aromatic chai concentrate that's made once and can be enjoyed as a coconut chai tea or as a crossover component to infuse the scrumptious date squares with delightful chai flavors. The main goal of this cookbook and of the cooking show is not only to feed your friends and family, but to feed your creativity with user-friendly, inspiring ideas, making your very own kitchen the most exciting place to dine in. There's a print or digital version of this book, and to grab your very own copy over on the web shop, you can check out that link in the description box below, or you can visit youngmancooking.com. Here is a short excerpt from the book. Even though breakfast is said to be the most important meal of the day, dinner was mine growing up. We call it sikfan in Cantonese, which literally translates to eat rice. With some context, when we say sikfan, it's an indication for time to eat or meal time. In my youth, this was usually expressed at dinner time when everyone comes home from work, school, or other activities. This has greatly accustomed me to value togetherness and the gathering around the table for a meal with friends and family. I feel that as we age, these valuable sikfan moments become more scarce. And as life grows busier and more demanding, cooking meals every day that are not only delicious, inspiring, and fresh becomes a great challenge. I'm filled with excitement to welcome you to dine in sikfan with me as we cook meals together that are incredibly approachable and extraordinarily delicious. Join me in this cookbook, Dining In with Wil.